Hi, I'm Johnetta Paye, real estate attorney and current president of the Tulsa Real Estate Fund, the first 100% Black-owned real estate crowd fund in the world, actually. And this is Ramon Tukes, and I'm going to let him introduce himself to you.
Hi, I'm Ramon Tooks. I am a 23-year veteran in the real estate business. I've done everything from single family to commercial to multifamily developing. We're also in the education arena. And so I'm getting an opportunity to partner up with Johnetta in Chicago. And on August 21st, we're going to be in your city. And, we're looking forward to educating.
Yes, and so you're probably wondering why you should come out and see us. So we're going to give you a tip, just, to a little bit of information, free game that you're going to get on August 21st. So we're going to tell you what you should consider if you're looking to become a real estate investor. So Ramon, what should people consider if they're looking to become?
The first thing is getting their mind right. And I know that sounds so generic. But, if you're not ready to invest, you don't know where you need to start, you need to come and see us on Tuesday.
And I would definitely agree with that. A lot of the clients that I work with who are real estate investors, they're first-time real estate investors. And so they'll come to me and we'll sit down and we'll have a conversation about what contracts do you need to be a real estate investor? What does the process look like? What can you expect? And them having that conversation and getting their mind right, as Ramon says, really helps them in the process. So this is a little bit of information you'll get on August 21st, but definitely come out, see me, Ramon, and the rest of the panel and get some amazing information. And why else should they come and see us on the 21st?
Because we're going to collaborate to build wealth. Don't miss the collaboration tour.